4 dimensions, 4D chess. Future iPhone users may be able to see through multiple lenses while taking a photo. This is a patent, a recent patent, which looks quite interesting, actually. I don't know if you guys knew this, but a lot of people who own iPhones, they never switch the camera. They don't even consider it. They always just snap the photo, and then they just use zoom, like pinch to zoom, if they want to zoom. And that's it. That's the extent of camera involvement that people want to have. So this new patent is attempting to encourage those that shoot that way to potentially use the other camera units that are on their iPhone. I guess that you could utilize a similar technology for any phone with multiple camera units.
Oh, good. Look at this text here.
Well,
look at the scroller.
Well, it's a patent filing.
Yeah.
So it's like all kinds of jargon and whatnot.
Oh, it's intense.
Yeah. Okay. But it's okay because I can explain it. And so
you can paraphrase it into like a couple sentences.
The article does a much better job, obviously, than the patent application. It's called Digital Viewfinder, user interface for multiple cameras. And the way that this works is it would present you, you'd open the camera app and it would present you with all the different possible outputs based on your camera capabilities and variety.
So like a little preview?
One viewfinder with multiple viewfinders in it.
Interesting.
There's a diagram if he keeps scrolling down here. So you see the way it's framing up. If you were to use your zoom lens, you could make that photo.
Cool.
So people start thinking about actually using their other cameras as opposed to doing what they do now, which is either just pinching or walking closer to something or further away from it. They might, especially on the wide end, a lot of people don't utilize the wide. They just take 2 steps back.
Oh, really? I use the wide the most.
No, I love the wide.
Yeah.
I love the wide, but I don't know. It's not like we have the user data here.
Absolutely, yeah.
But I think
well, they're doing it for a reason.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of people who just keep it in the 1X, and so you can see the way that this software would look, how it might operate, and there would be a slider, I guess, at the bottom as well. It's a patent application, so it could or could not turn into an actual product, but it might, all those photographers, all those smartphone photographers out there,